So before removing the oxygen sensor connection, so we have to remove the negative terminal out of the battery, out from the battery. It's very important. 2016 Land Cruiser Prado. So 2.8 liter diesel. So this one is the driver's side. Okay. So on the wheel arch, you can see that. So when you just have a look over here, you can see this one is the oxygen sensor. Okay. Removal. There is a wire connection over here. Remove the wire connection and taking it off. Alright. So this one is a 22 mm socket for the oxygen sensor, right? So this is it's gonna work. You have to fix it here. Alright. Like this. Alright. So what you have to just put this one there to the oxygen sensor like this through the wire and fix it here. Okay, all the way in. Okay, now something like this. Okay, now you have to go with the wrench. The wrench, fix it like that. Now you have to use something like a leverage. For the leverage, you have to use this one. Alright. Then lefty loosey, like that. That is the easiest way. Alright. That's it. Now we have to take it off the wrench and stuff. Alright, now you use your hands because the wire is already out. So now you can lefty loosey. There you go. This is our oxygen sensor here. You see that? You see that? That's it. Some carby cleaner into it. Carby cleaner. Okay, so air dry it before you put that back on. All right, let it dry, sit it for a while, then we can put that back on. So this one is very important to get a right reading for a good mileage, fuel economy. So, all right. So the sensor is nice. Sensor is clean and dried. So put that back on. Just like here. Now the power connection is going to be back. It's here. You have to hear that click noise. That's very important. That's it. And there is 2 holders are here. It should be in there. 2 holders. That's another 2 things, otherwise it will be to be hot. And the wire can be damaged. So this one is nice and clean there. Beautifully done.